Hello everyone, I am Praveen Kumar and I am here to discuss about the topic advantages and disadvantages of slow sand filters and rapid sand filters. So before we dig up into the main topic, let me just explain you about what exactly the slow sand filters and rapid sand filters mean. So slow sand filters were first came in usage when process of filtration was invented then back in 1829 in London, United Kingdom. Slow sand filters are used in water purification for treating raw water to produce potable product. Usually slow sand filters are 1 to 2 meters deep and the shape is rectangular or either cylindrical in section and are primarily used to treat surface water. So what slow sand filters exactly look like? The one which you see in the top is the top view and the second which you see here is the side view. So this is how the slow sand filter look like. So coming to the rapid sand filters, it's also known as rapid gravity filters. These were first came in usage in the year 1890s and after 30 years its improvised version, after improvised design, were developed after 30 years in the year 1920. So rapid sand filters are the type of filters used in the water purification. These are commonly used in drinking water facilities as part of a multiple stage treatment system. So by coming to the main topic are advantages and disadvantages of slow sand filters. Advantages. These are highly efficient in removing bacteria of almost 98 to 99%, which means after treating the water, it removes almost 99% of the bacteria from the water. It even helps in removing the other suspended particles or solids from raw water. It can remove odor and tastes caused by organic impurities like sorvin or the. According to World Health Organization, under suitable circumstances, slow sand filtration may be not only the cheapest and simplest but also the most efficient method of water treatment. Disadvantages. It requires extensive land area for the initial setup of slow sand filters. It means the equipment for the slow sand filters is a big one, so it needs larger area. Rate of filtration is very less. It is not efficient for highly turbid water. We cannot remove color from it and we require more labors for it. And it's a time consumption one. It requires more time for the whole process to complete, and it requires more large volume of filtering materials. So due to this, it leads to high cost and it leads to uneconomical too. So coming to the advantages and disadvantages of rapid sand filters, it's a compact equipment and can be handled easily. Its rate of filtration is higher than compared to the slow sand filters. Requires lesser space and lesser filtering equipment than as the slow sand filter one. Sedimentation and coagulation tanks are avoided. These filters are flexible as compared to SSFs. Because the rate of filtration can be changed by changing the compressed air pressure or the water. As the filtered water comes out under pressure, no further equipment pumping is required to fill the water. Coming to the disadvantages, these are less efficient in removing bacteria and turbidities. The quality of filtered water is very poor. It results to be costlier than treating large-scale municipal supplies. As the process of filtration and backwashing is done in the closed tank, proper quality control and inspection is not possible in the rapid sand filters. Inspection, cleaning and replacement of sand, gravel and under-drainage system is much difficult as compared to the SSFs. Due to its circular in shape, the design and fixing of backwash channel is very difficult. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.